I'm gonna show you what I have to work on today. Like I said, it's super embarrassing, but we're just gonna jump in. The site went back up last night, so we were able to upload some of the stuff that we needed. So remember when I said we're not doing anything this weekend? I lied because I forgot that we were gonna go meet up for dinner on the beach with Vincent's family tonight.
I forgot too, but then I remembered.
We were so busy this week, we kind of forgot about all of our responsibilities. So we're gonna go do that now. We're just waiting for the bus. Should be a nice night. Oh, this bus. Bus is officially late.
That sucks.
Because guess what? Funny story. I've always loved wearing watches, but I've never had nice watches. So all the watches that I've had, once the batteries go dead, I don't bother replacing the batteries. And so my whole life, I've pretty much always worn watches that are dead, that don't tell any time. So this is like, Vincent got this is the watch Vincent got me for my birthday, and it's the first watch where I can actually tell the time. And I love it. It's so fun to just be like, I feel like...
What time is it?
I know. I feel like, I don't know what, something old-fashioned whenever I look at my wrist.
Did you see my flip-flops? He's asking.
Oh, no.
Look at his flip-flops.
Oh.
I mean, look at... Hey, babe.
It's terrible.
Are you feeling okay with the tiniest chair on here?
It's just my size.
I know, it's weird. Like,
short people always get to the short end of the stick because everyone thinks that we need smaller size things.
Is that okay with you?
I guess so. I mean, from here I can go like that.
Aww.
Get ya with the sand, so I'm good.
That was lame.
End of a good night. It's almost 11 and we have some work to catch up on, so we're probably just gonna sign off here, right?
We got some work and I really am not looking forward to it, so yeah.
We're both kind of tired from being at the beach all evening with the family. So we're gonna sign off here because we're not gonna be very exciting anyway. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday? Oh my gosh. Okay, can we just talk about how that is the biggest poop I've ever seen? Sorry, that was gross. But those are a really big one. Well, okay. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. Vincent is at his tutoring lesson. This is a super real life moment. Oops. Let's fix that. I just vacuumed. I have got Twilight on, actually New Moon, on the TV because Netflix has all of them right now, and I'm about to start doing some major organizing, so I figured the whole Twilight saga, which is all on Netflix, I hate this part, would get me through several hours of that. So we're just gonna jump in. I'm gonna show you what we're working on. It's such a mess. I'm kind of embarrassed. We've been so busy. And I think knowing that we were going to be moving soon, we just kind of like, just gave up on like keeping everything organized. So now it's kind of like a train wreck. I'll show you what we're working with so you can just appreciate how far we come in the next couple weeks. Oh, as a side note, update on our visa. So, we had one more document to submit, one. And that was Vincent's police report that he had to request from the main office in Paris, and they had to send it here. And it was supposed to come like within the week, and it came in like 6 days instead. And the day that we got his police report, which is, you know, empty and blank in the mail, the National Visa Center server went down. And like, I've been combing the forums because that was it. So it went down last, I think, Friday or Thursday. And I started combing the forums just to see what the average time frame was, and everyone's like, oh, hopefully it'll be back up in a day or two. That's usually what it is. It's been more than a week. And that was the last paper that we had to submit, and then our whole file would be done. So we are just dying inside just a little bit. So we have an entire week delay now, and if I talk about it too much, I'm gonna start crying because of the frustration of just how things go. But just know that that has been occupying our thoughts. So if we've been a little more absent on social media and things, I have not been as focused, and that's because I have other more legit things to focus on. So just thanks for your patience. This year has taught me so much patience. I know I say it all the time, but God is testing me. I've never been a patient person, and God is testing my patience so hard. Everyone remember this part? Remember this part in Twilight? Where she starts seeing the ghost of Edward? What? Okay, so anyway, back to business. I just wanted to share that with you. It's kind of nice to vent to the camera sometimes. So I'm gonna show you what I have to work on today. Like I said, it's super embarrassing. So first of all, we have this laundry situation, which I just ask you to kindly ignore. So we have these two huge bags of clothes to get rid of. You know, piles keep growing the longer they sit there, so now it's like, I don't even know how we're gonna carry these downtown and get rid of them, but that's what they're there for, so we're just gonna work on that. And then you come over here, you can see this lovely shelf. This is supposed to be Vincent's shelf, but it's got a bunch of my stuff on it too, because, you know, Vincent doesn't paint his nails or wear women's watches. And this is my shelf. I have like my half-finished embroidery project and way more thread than anyone needs, which I am gonna have to go through and get rid of a lot of it. I've got my camera stuff, and I've got a huge pile of books that is just, it doesn't look so good. I need to organize this so desperately. I also have this bin full of like beauty supplies and things, and then I have this bin way back here full of other stuff that I never look at because it's back here and I can't even access it, so I don't know why I have it, but I do. So, woo! So that is what I'm going to be working on today while I watch the Twilight.
Hello there. You are watching Emma and Vitz's vlog.
Okay, redo. It's Monday morning. We're going downtown to work. It is 87 degrees outside and 78% humidity. So I'm about ready to die, and we're gonna go sit in an air-conditioned place with like something cold to drink and get some work done because our apartment is like an oven. I am a total failure of a blogger, and I totally forgot to put in or take any clips in the cafe that we just sat in for the last 5 hours. But I got a lot of work done. Vincent went to a tutoring lesson and now he's back, so I'm going to meet up with him. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping. Probably gonna go to Sephora. There's like a couple things I want to get. I need to replenish as I'm like downsizing my beauty to just stuff that I want to take with me and keep until we move. So we'll just go do that now. We'll take you along with us and catch up with Vincent in a second. Hey Vincent.
Yes.
We found each
Hello
other.
there. Yeah.
Okay, we're on a mission. I got some Avene Thermal Mist, which I haven't tried, but everyone really highly recommends, and I love the Avene brand. I use their like makeup remover cleansing lotion every day, which is awesome. So I got that, and then I also got my favorite Embryolisse lait cream concentrate, which I put in one of my recent blog posts about like French bean faves. It's still my fave. That tube is like 13 euros here and it lasts forever. I sent some to my mom because it's expensive in the US, so if you haven't tried it, try it. Especially if you're coming to France and can stop in at a pharmacy where it's cheap. Now we're gonna go grab a snack at a bakery and then we're gonna go to Sephora because I gotta grab some other creams and stuff.
Merci. Bonjour. Madame.
It's funny because apparently there's the same lady, the one that was right before us.
Yeah.
She apparently always complains that the one thing she buys, like the price got up, and it's been like the fifth or sixth time
Where she's
something like that, where
complained
she
about it?
complained about it, and everything just like, no, it's always been the same price.
Oh my gosh.
So like they're just like, no, lady, you came back here like 6 times, billed us the exact same thing 6 times because you're trying to have it for a little cheaper. But we're not making it cheaper.
Well, somewhere else.
It's so funny.
That's our favorite bakery. We go in there all the time. They kind of know us. So they always tell Vincent whatever's happening. It's always really funny. All right, we're so excited for these sandwiches. I'm gonna eat. I got a club goat cheese sandwich. What did you get? Ham and butter?
Ham butter.
Ham and butter.
Cheapest.
Easy. All right, let's walk this direction. All right, we just finished at...
There you go.
Oop, our bus is coming. We just finished at Sephora. I got a face mask, brightening face mask, because I need that right now. And I also got some Lanolips, like lip balm, that was recommended by Ashley Brooke just today in a video actually. So I saw it and I was like, I have to try it, because it looked really nice. Howdy. It's Wednesday morning.
Is
Yes.
it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh wow.
Yesterday was Tuesday. And we tried staying home all day, saving money, and it was so hot. I had like the worst headache all day and it was just like a miserable day. So we're not doing that again. We're going downtown to our usual cafe to work.
It is way too hot.
Failed experiment. Never doing that again. It is so hot. So anyway, there isn't really much. Oh, the site that has been down for more than a week that we've been like dying trying to figure out what to do with. The site went back up last night, so we were able to upload some of the stuff that we needed. And now we're just waiting on one more little thing to submit, and then we'll be totally done finally. It's just been like,
So hopefully we'll have our appointment with the embassy as soon as possible.
that's honestly probably contributed to my feeling sick and terrible and headachy. Is just probably the stress of that all day, every day lately. It's really bad.
Makes sense.
So anyway, that was exciting though. So we're like back in action, ready to go and get things done again. Made it. I'm not gonna forget to actually record while we're in here today. We got muffin and some like iced drinks. Everyone, it is 5 or 6 hours later. We worked for a long time and then Vincent went to a tutoring lesson. And now we are going to go to Fnac, which is like Barnes & Noble kind of. Gonna go hang out in the AC for a little bit and then we're probably gonna get kebab before we go home and work some more. So, there we go. I did finish 2 blog posts today, which is awesome. What did you do, Vince?
Just worked this morning and then went to give a couple hours of tutoring. And well, now we're gonna wander around.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a little bit. Wandering around in this humidity is the worst idea, but you know, that's what showers are for. Our favorite dinner ever. So yummy. An Algerian sauce. grabbing lunch and then I'm gonna go work as usual. We've got the same pattern for this whole week. Sorry guys. We went to Laduree, but we didn't take any video in there because it was really quiet.
Yeah. It's like an experience. Look at that. Am I even recording? I am recording, that's okay. It's so beautiful. Sometimes
you just need a macaroon when you're in France. We have spent so long here and we've never gotten Laduree, which is like...
But now we did.
Classic, famous French thing. You want to sit right here for a minute?
Sure.
Might as well, right?
Might as well.
Raspberry, salted caramel, lemon, pistachio. I'm so excited. I love anything desserty.
Me too.
Okay, let's eat. Is it worth €2 a piece? I don't know. But I feel fancy when I eat them.
That's the whole point.
Look how many they have. Holy crap. Update. We're actually not going home yet. We're going to see if we can find Vincent a set of luggage really fast because his luggage is falling apart and he just needs a good set of luggage. We are moving a lot in the next few months and all of our stuff needs to fit in these suitcases, so they're going to be packed tight.
Literally the seams on the side of it.
They're like safety pinned together. They're really bad.
And the zipper is not even holding together. I can just prop it open like that if I wanted to.
Yeah, so we are gonna look at luggage really fast actually before we go back up.
Okay.
This is totally tripped.
After visiting a couple shops, I just realized that a bunch of them look absolutely amazing. The suitcases, I mean. Problem is, they're extremely expensive because we're in Cannes.
We don't have Amazon Prime here like we do in the US. I got all my luggage on Amazon.
I mean, there's some options on Amazon, but then not that many.
None of them have reviews, so...
Yeah, so it's kind of shady.
It's hard to trust them.
So, I don't know. I'll see.
Yeah, it's waiting for the bus. So I'll probably sign up for today because we're just going to be home working and eating leftovers for the rest of the night. That's not very exciting.
Boring.
Sorry this vlog is so boring. I feel like I always say that, but that's just our life right now. It's just boring.
It's just own it. If you guys want to follow us, that means that you like this, right?
Yeah, I guess so. I guess if people are watching our vlog, then this is what you signed up for. But, I mean, exciting things are coming. If you stick with us now, get to know us. And then when exciting things are happening, you know, we'll have people who care about what we're doing. We'll see if we ever. What's up, everyone? It is Friday. I did the laundry, I vacuumed, I did a face mask, I put on makeup, I put in my hair, and now I'm gonna grab some cereal, and then I want to sit and chat with you.